Hi, this is Navdeep. So in the last two videos we have covered one is Cypress, how to install Cypress, and how to launch a particular browser in the Cypress. It's very simple, it's very fast, there's very few lines of code and everything is inbuilt with the Cypress. So we have seen this so far, and in this video we'll cover write a basic few tests and what are the different strategies to locate a particular locator. So let's look in the google.com. Since I've already opened this, let me run. Alright, so we're on this site. So the ideal or the old way was just to go to the basic Google website and inspect the particular item which you're looking. For example, in this case I'm looking for this logo to be visible, and I'm looking for a particular ID name or something to be unique. In this case the ID is available. So there are different ways you can write a particular locator, which we'll cover in some other videos. So now I'll show you one quick way in Cypress. What you can do is you can just inspect this particular logo and hover on this and click select, and it will give you an entire command with the identifier. It's very fast. You can just copy this and go to the next line. Instead of writing cy.get and enter locator name, you can just copy paste. See, it's very fast. And the next thing we'll do is add an assertion that this particular logo is visible or not. So dot should, which is the one way of doing this in the Mocha framework. And the line which I'll write is very simple, just be visible. Sorry. Visible. That's it. This is our assertion of this test. It's really fast. So let me run this again. Alright, so you see this line, this assert has been gone as green because it has been lost. So let's add a few more tests. We'll just add a new test in this one, which will say search Cypress books. And I'll open a new method. So this is my test 2. In this test 2, I will look for this test box and I have to enter Cypress books. So again, simple way doing is for this. Now this time it has the dot, which is basically a class name, so that's why it's giving a dot. In this way it gives us as a hash, which is basically an ID. Alright, so we'll take this test box and copy this, and we'll basically type the text inside this, and that will be Cypress books. Click save. The moment you save, it will start executing. This is a very good feature of Cypress CLI. You don't have to go and again click on save run, but in this case I'll show you again. So run all test. So see, we have reached this step. Now the next thing you have to do is click enter or click the first whatever item. This way I'll show you something related to keyboard. So let me do this. Again, I need the same cy.get, which is basically same this command, because after entering this I have to click enter. Either I can add just directly after this, like type and enter, or I can include in the next line, which is type and the curly braces will mention just enter. That's it. Click save and you will see. Again, I'll run for this for you. One of the things, if you have noticed, we have not entered any kind of weight, any kind of sleep. This all has been integrated, taken care of by Cypress. That's the very good advantage of Cypress. We don't have to write any kind of thread.sleep or any kind of sleep mechanism. Automatically there is a particular weight for each and every function and step. So that's a very beautiful feature of Cypress. Now we have run this 2 tests. Let me just create one more to show you. To run in parallel. So open a new file. Just say welcome page.js, and let me just copy all this for an example. Now we have 2 test files, this and that, and I have to run a particular file, which is very easy in this case. I will use this command Or maybe just let me stop this. Alright, so now you can see through CLI both the two tests has been added. Let me just select default Chrome ID, and this time either instead of selecting one, I can just set up this feature in the project to record and run. This is one of the way, but I'll still go with this project. I'll just click on particular one and you will see next. Alright, so this time when I clicked on the one, it only executed one particular test, which is Google search feature. Now let me just change the name in this one. I'll just say Google Gmail feature, just for clarity. So let me stop this. On the welcome page, if I click, so in this one it's running the individual test, it's not running the both test. So this is what we will see in our next video, how to run all the tests and what are the different ways of running and what are the different ways we can run through command line for different browsers, including Chrome, Firefox, and Chrome. That's all from this video. If you have any question, please feel free to comment. And thank you so much, and give us a like if you like this video.